Justice for Hathras victim.
Justice for Hyderabad victim.
Justice for Balrampur victim.
Justice for Delhi victim.
Justice for Unnao victim. यानी कि हैशटैग के पीछे का नाम बदल जाता है लेकिन स्टोरी सेम की सेम रहती है. A woman is raped, we outrage, the administration fails, the police system fails, the judicial system fails. यानी कि सेम चीज वापस रिपीट होती रहती है. Some time passes by and we forget.
In Hathras of UP, a 19-year-old Dalit woman was raped and murdered allegedly by 4 upper caste men. 2 weeks after the attack, she died in Delhi's Safdarjung hospital.
लेकिन उस फैमिली की परेशानी वहीं नहीं रुकी. In the early hours of Tuesday, she was cremated in Hathras by the police, even without the presence of family members.
फैमिली मेंबर्स का तो ये कहना है कि बॉडी को जबरदस्ती क्रिमेट किया गया लगातार रिक्वेस्ट्स के बावजूद. ये तेजी अगर पुलिस ने पहले ही दिखाई होती तो शायद ये इंसिडेंट हुआ ही ना होता.
और ये पहला इंसिडेंट नहीं है. सितंबर से लेकर अब तक यूपी में ऐसे 3 से ज्यादा केसेस हो चुके हैं. The youngest victim was 3-year-old. And while we are outraging over the Hathras incident, a 22-year-old Dalit woman died after she was gang raped in Balrampur of UP.
हर दिन एटलीस्ट 4 दलित औरतों का रेप होता है हमारी कंट्री में. हर 15 मिनट में एक औरत का रेप होता है इंडिया में. पिछले साल इंडिया में हर दिन 87 औरतों का रेप हुआ. 1.75 लाख से ज्यादा रेप केसेस रिकॉर्ड हुए थे 2014 से लेकर 2018 के बीच में.
उत्तर प्रदेश में सबसे ज्यादा क्राइम्स होते हैं औरतों के अगेंस्ट, फॉलोड बाय राजस्थान एंड महाराष्ट्र. रेप केसेस का कन्विक्शन रेट है 27.2%. मर्डर के केस में कन्विक्शन रेट 43% के आसपास है. और ये तो सिर्फ रिपोर्टेड केस है. दीज केसेस डू नॉट इंक्लूड मैरिटल रेप व्हिच इज नॉट इवन कंसीडर्ड अ क्राइम इन आवर सोसाइटी. 1,38,000 से ज्यादा रेप केसेस पेंडिंग है कोर्ट में.
और ऐसा तो होगा ही क्योंकि वी हैव 19 जजेस पर 10 लाख पीपल. इसीलिए 85% रेप केसेस जो हर साल रिपोर्ट होते हैं वो नेक्स्ट ईयर कैरी फॉरवर्ड हो जाते हैं. आई थिंक हमारी सोसाइटी में वायलेंस का टॉलरेंस और लेवल ही इतना ज्यादा हो गया है कि रेप केसेस व्हिच मेक इट टू द डेली न्यूज डोंट अफेक्ट अस दैट ग्रेटली. जब ब्रूटल डिटेल्स सामने आती हैं, दैट्स व्हेन वी टेक नोटिस एंड स्टार्ट pouring our anger and frustration on social media.
This was evident the way a lot of us reacted to an encounter by Hyderabad police last year where they shot dead the alleged rapist of girl who was gang raped and then murdered. While we need stricter rape laws, robust police force, swift action, हमें ये भी याद रखना होगा कि a rape does not happen in isolation. इसका मतलब हमें eve teasing, stalking, molestation, domestic violence, marital rape, sexual abuse, dowry, female feticide, caste based sexual violence सबको एक साथ टैकल करना पड़ेगा.
Because all of these issues are interconnected and eventually lead to women being raped and murdered in most cases. So is it then right on our part to just rely on stricter laws and not make any attempt in changing our society, our mindset, our gender rules? Remember the public outrage after the 2012 Nirbhaya case? The rape laws were made stronger. But did anything change on the ground? Not really. And the NCRB data is enough to prove that.
The case remains the same. A woman is raped, sometimes murdered. There is a difficulty in registering the FIR. The judicial system takes its own time and eventually the justice becomes a joke. Even the Nirbhaya case, which was one of the most publicized rape cases of India, took 8 years to finish. यानी कि स्ट्रिक्ट लॉस खाली पेपर पे ही अच्छे लगते हैं, एक्चुअली में इन्होंने कुछ ज्यादा बड़ी हेल्प नहीं की है.
So what are the changes we should be talking about to tackle this menace? But before telling you that, let us be very clear that the problem of crimes against women is not going to be solved in a day or two. At the same time, #outrage and pink budget covers are not going to help a lot of women. To ensure their safety and security, we need concrete measures.
First of all, the problem is mentality. कितने केसेस में हमने ये सुना है कि विक्टिम को ही ब्लेम कर दिया रेप के लिए. We need to get one thing straight. The perpetrator and only the perpetrator is responsible for the rape and not the victim. For this, we need to change the mentality of the society. Awareness program, gender sensitization classes and changes in school curriculum will go a long way to bring this change.
A victim faces immense mental torture if she tries to register the FIR. In the Hathras case, the police did not get the girl examined and denied that rape happened for many days. It took 8 days for the police to book the accused for rape. Tell me one thing, should it be so difficult for women to register just an FIR? At the same time, there isn't enough police force. According to the Status of Policing in India report 2019, women comprise of just 7.28% of India's total police force. This is despite reservation for women in many states. So we just not need a better policing system, but we need more women to be part of it.
And then we have an extremely sluggish justice system. जैसे मैंने आपको बताया कि रेप के केसेस में कन्विक्शन रेट खाली 27.2% है. Lakhs of cases are pending and judges are not there for the smooth functioning of the judicial system. We need to decongest our judicial system as soon as possible. वरना खुद ही सोचिए, जब निर्भया केस को इतनी पब्लिसिटी के बाद भी 8 साल लगे खत्म होने के लिए, तो बाकी केसेस को कितना टाइम लगता होगा.
Now let's talk about our lawmakers. Did you know that 43% of Indian MPs have criminal cases against them, and 29% of MPs face serious charges like rape, attempt to murder, kidnapping, etc. तो जब lawmakers ही crime accused होंगे, do you really think they will create the right system where justice can be sought? It's high time that we choose who cleans this mess, and no one but us as voters can do that.
The last and the most important change is to change ourselves. कब तक हम ईव टीजिंग, मॉलेस्टेशन और स्टिग्मेटाइजेशन को नॉर्मलाइज करते रहेंगे? कब तक हम रेप विक्टिम को ही कॉम्प्रोमाइज करने के लिए बोलते रहेंगे? Change, like charity, begins at home. Learn and evolve, and don't stay silent. Make this system accountable.
See, these knee-jerk reactions will not solve the problem. These changes will take time, and no one but only us can bring about a change. That's all we have for now.
If you like this video, do not forget to drop in a like and subscribe to India Times.